So we're working on this 16 kW Generac with an overcrank code. When I first got here, I seen this piece of this magnetic piece here came off the flywheel. Came off as part of the magnet on the flywheel. So I already knew before I even opened it up it was the magnetos. So in order to get to the magnetos, you can see down there the magnets shredded up, and there's debris all in there in between the magnet and the flywheel. So the magnetos are probably shredded to pieces, and we're going to find out when we open this up. So first thing I did was take the oil cooler off here. Got that off. Next thing we got to do is take off the air mixer assembly here. Take off all these. Got to unbolt everything, get it off. Take off the line for the stepper motor, which we're going to do now, which is under here. So the stepper motor's disconnected. Just going to pull this wire through and get this out of the way. Alright, stepper motor's disconnected. So now we're going to unbolt the air mixer assembly. And actually, before we get them bolts out, we have to disconnect our fuel lines. I just labeled them 1 and 2 so I don't mix them up when I'm putting it back together. And actually, you know what, I'm going to leave the fuel lines on there until I get this all unbolted, because it'll actually be easier to get the lines off with this thing loose. As you can see, they're on there pretty tight, so it's a little easier to get them off once you get the mixer loose. Alright, so there's 4 bolts here, one on the top, one on the bottom, on each side. They're a pain to get to, so you need a small Allen key to get them out. And you also got 2 screws. Over here you need to get out. Make sure you don't lose the rubber washers. Now before I remove the whole thing, I'm going to take out these gaskets, because I don't want to lose these either. So there's a gasket on each side here. I always take them out first because they like to fall down in there and I don't want to lose them.